Finally ba after a year? Nagawa tayo ng mga trend kasi ang aga namin super. But airport hack, ngayon lang namin naranasan to. Book your flight Monday. Daming okay.
Daming perks.
Anong mga perks niya? Number 1, walang pila sa check-in.
Kami lang tao, guys.
Walang pila sa immigration. Talagang as in kami lang yung check-in. So if you wanna do some trend here in airport, ayos walang tao, hindi nakakain. Ang tanging cons niya lang is wala pang open
kaming
store.
pagkain.
Dapat pala bumili muna ng food dun sa sa baba.
Before immigration.
Before immigration para makapagkape man lang. And we have to wait for 2 a.m. Currently, it's 1:10. Nililibang-libang na lang namin sa Luna. We're happy. We're so happy.
Let's
Ayos na ulit
go!
yun. Let's go. Yeah, we can definitely call it. Seminyak, we're going for 3 days.
3 days.
Yep.
Normally Seminyak doing Uluwatu tour.
Yes, we're going to Uluwatu.
Yeah, if Uluwatu tour first in the morning like 8:30 go for water sport and then looking the Garuda Wisnu,
Yes.
the statue, and then go to Padang Beach.
Melasti Beach.
Beach.
Melasti
If you
Putong
like
Padang.
watching Kecak dance, yes, you can watch in
Yeah, we're
Melasti
gonna-
Beach.
Ketchup dance.
For
In Melasti
I
Beach.
guess in the evening, around 6 p.m.
Yes,
for
6
Quezon.
p.m.
Yes.
So yeah, that's the tour in Uluwatu. After that,
After 5 days, we're going back to our...
so in Seminyak only looking 1 day tour on Uluwatu. Because if you go to west, there is temple on the lake, Tandara Gate, and waterfall. The big waterfall in Bali is Sekumpul waterfall.
Where's that?
That's in West Bali.
West Bali.
It take like 2 hours from Seminyak.
2 hours.
That's too
It's
far.
Very high. It's like 100.
Right, guys. Right now, we're here in... This is Bali. I don't know what the fuck street. Saan na lang ako na nag-park kasi bawal mag-park. As you can see, medyo masikip yung daan. Talagang literally one way pero two way siya, guys. Gonna go straight lunch after namin mag-drop
Lunch first
sa...
kasi di pa kami makapag-check-in.
Yes, that's right. Pagbaba namin after nung cloak transfer from airport, nag-rent na agad kami ng scooter. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. For 100k. Equivalent siya around 400 pesos. Kaya okay din naman. That's for a whole day.
Parang sayang.
Okay.
Catch really from menu. This one is one medium, the next section is blue. Chicken rice, have white, rice, cauliflower, step 400 hours of pay. The order, just let me ask please, yeah? And we have the second menu is our signature food already make on the plate like this picture, yeah? No need to stir. We have a salad, the real Balinese food here. And this one, the last one menu, have some coffee.
Thank you. We're gonna try this. Saan mo ba nakita to? It's Nicole's recommendation.
TikTok.
I guess it's sikat din.
It's
kind of popular here.
It's fun, guys. Look. Ikaw gagawa ng food mo.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
So why is it fun?
Ikaw gagawa ng food mo. This one for you and this is mine.
Okay.
Tatlo mo na lang yan.
So bale sa menu nila guys, you have the means to choose and then
You stamp. Stamp
gagamitin mo yung cute stamp nila.
kung anong
Example,
gusto mong
ganyan.
kainin. Like
You
this.
stamp here.
Potato patties.
You also got free peanuts. Yabang may pamali. Pero medyo sabog pa kami. So, just continue the vlog later. Order muna kami. Tatay mga ito.
Can I make flowers?
We're coming here guys. Kainin niyo to. Ano chicken. Strong nila ito. Sarap. Tender. Right now, we're here in Alasa room. So we booked this as well through Klook. I'll just make it here. Magkano siya? Including sa tour ano ba?
One activity.
Pwede pumili. We can choose from skybike,
Bali swing. Extreme Bali swing and... Isa?
Limata ka na eh. Basta hindi included si zipline. Also by the way, yung Kretia, tabi niya lang. There.
Hello, mamatakot ako sa...
I don't know where to go, pero kasi I wanna know how can we claim yung...
Here, masaya ko mag-ask.
Sige, let's ask. Where can we claim Klook?
Oh, you have a club
Yes.
activity of downstairs. Yeah? Later
That-
you just show your wristband to our activity staff.
Okay.
You know which swing you have.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Puntahan na natin. Parang kinakabahan ako. Sobrang taas. Grabe.
You ready?
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Go pedal.
Woo! Grabe, tangina ang taas! Oh my God! Tangina! What the fuck? Good. Tangina na stuck. Is it going back? Ha? Babalik? Tataranta ako, di ko alam kung doon ako tatakbo eh. Woo! Solid, tangin na, nakakatakot to. Parang mamamatay na ako dyan, oh. Pag nalaglag ako dyan. Best birthday gift ever. Sa sarili. One more? Okay, let's go! Woo! Sobrang saya! Huwag kang titingin sa ilalim. Kasi pag tumingin ka sa ilalim, parang kupal ka ng bus. Parang hindi mo na gusto mabuhay na. That was one of the best experience ever.
Crazy.
Para siyang extreme sa EK. Pero puta niya, dadaan-daanin ka niya. Pabike ka eh. Okay, next up guys. Si Nicole naman, kasi tigisa lang kami ng activity.
Thank you.
She's gonna try extreme
Saan nga ulit
swing.
yun? Dito ba? Saan?
I think we have to go upstairs first.
Saan tayo yung galing?
Dito. Nasi goreng, mie goreng.
Mima.
Anong goreng to?
Mima.
Birthday, dinner date guys. Kain tayo. Wait up, ang dami.
Ate. Oo nga rin eh.
Pwede mo take.
Hatiin ko muna to. Hindi mo nga to. Laluin ko ba? Parang pancit ko to.
Sobrang sulit naman ang food.
Mura lang. Pagpili. Sulit.
Kanina guys. This bali na. Dito, 100k lang. Doon ako magkain. Almost 5 times yung pressure. Their nasi goreng is just literally fried rice.
Sarap.
Chop din.
Sarap na to. Medyo rin. Ay.
Parang may goreng na ito. Ito yung lasa niya. Sometimes, kung ano yung malalayo mahirap mapuntahan, talaga yung mga sulit. Siyempre may goreng. Ang sarap.
Maganda dito pag morning.
Kung punta kayo morning talaga. Dito lang kami nag-dinner kasi close lang sa amin. Napanood ko siya kay Senso. Shout out sa inyo. Yung review kasi, check na ang ganda. So, hindi naman napaya. I would recommend this rather than going to
Mura
this valley.
din.
Charot.
Masarap. Pero,
Mura yung masarap.
pero nakakatakot yung daan.
Huwag mo na
Swerte
isipin
yan
yun.
pag di ka natego.
Huwag mo na isipin yun daan. First stop, ATV.
Sabi bilis.
Na-outfit natin guys. Pota game. Umaga. Sabog-sabog
Baka
pa ako
kasi-
eh.
Guys, sa kanta guys.
Sabog-sabog pa. Ha?
Tingnan mo.
Mop lotion, yes. Starter pack na. Mop lotion. Babe. Face protector. Bota. Sa OT din niya.
Uy,
Let's go. Stop of the day. Let's go. Start.
may trabaho ako.
Videographer siya ngayon guys. Sa likod siya.
Leader.
Go.
Ang leader guys.
Let's go. Let's do this.
Let's go!
Let's go guys. Dahil na ang gulo nito.
One by one.
One by one.
Grabe yan. Sobrang lawak ng ano dito eh.
Jungle!
Talagang literal na Amazon yung pupuntahan mo.
Amazon Forest. Nanginan, doon na naman tayo. Ay!
Alright. Up time. How are you?
Basa! Look at me.
Hey, adventurers. Let's go, guys. Solid adventure break muna.
Break muna bago
Grabe dito, guys. Parang
mategi.
I mean, I guess kaya siya talaga dinadayo dito kasi it's the biggest ATV experience ever. May falls, may jungle.
May
Right.
cave.
May cave. Pero maliit pa lang yung cave. Alam ko
Small
may isa
cave.
pa mamaya eh. We're gonna try it out again, okay? Tayo mag-phone na. Solid, guys. Definitely recommended. 10 out of 10 tayo dyan.
Sana ako lang pamalit. Papatuyo muna kami sa araw. Manual dryer.
Manual drive.
Special coffee. We have the coffee from the animal. Do you know about the luwak? Yeah, that's the coffee from the animal. Yeah, that's the statue from the animal. We have the real animal in the inside. We just have only one, like just for showing. After 1 week or 2 weeks, we release back in the forest. We'll put one by one.
Okay, yeah.
First, mabango. The taste masarap. This is the hot chocolate. We have the ginseng coffee, lemongrass tea, and then coconut coffee. We have the ginger tea, vanilla coffee, rosella tea, Bali coffee and cocoa, mocha,
Wow.
Agustin tea, turmeric tea, lemon tea. So the distinct coffee is one, which is a little bit sweet because the coffee already mixed with coconut sugar and soya milk.
Okay.
And the tea we mix with the honey and the beet sugar. Except Bali coffee, no sugar, no milk, just pure black coffee.
Anong interesting sa'yo?
I'll try ito. Mocha.
Sorry.
Bali coffee.
Sige nga, you go first.
Dahil nasa Bali tayo, let's try their coffee.
Bali ko. Wow.
Bango parang Milo.
Okay, okay. Let's see.
Sarap!
It's good.
Promise!
That good.
Sarap!
I'm gonna try. Go with this. I'm gonna try vanilla.
Gusto ko to.
I'll try vanilla. Sa akin, out of ano ba to? 33 testing here. Kasama siya sa Klook tour na binuk namin for ATV and
Try Bali coffee. Also.
easy kaya medyo sarap talaga. Soy milk naman, so medyo healthy yung ano nila.
It's good.
It's good.
I like that. Ito
Bili
yung,
kami niyan.
ito yung black version ni Bali Coffee.
And this is their regular Bali black coffee.
This one, Bali
I'm
Coffee.
more into black coffee dito kasi guys. Kasi we're in cutting phase.
So the tasting coffee this one, it will be sweet. Because the coffee
It's
already
strong.
mixed with coconut sugar.
Sobrang,
Lakas.
sobrang tapang. Amoy pa lang eh.
Bali coffee, no sugar, no
Kailangan niya na stevia. Pero
Lalaban.
ano to eh,
Wala nga daw,
pero
puro.
masarap.
May lasa.
It's just a regular black coffee pero mag-isa ka.
Ay,
Diba?
ang pait.
Okay. Para pag pagising talagang ganyan na parang pag cold brew.
Ito.
Based on the previous vlog, I think it's kind of pricey.
Just for information, here we sell two options. On the top the product with sugar, below without sugar. Yeah.
Okay.
Without sugar, they have level sugar free.
Okay guys, yung quick cardio natin before rafting. Be a bit steps guys. Sana di kami umakat dito.
Have your attention a minute before we are together rafting today. I want to give you information first, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Yes, coming. Good afternoon, everybody.
Afternoon.
Yeah, oh, are you all today good?
Yeah.
I hope you all good, okay? Introduce, my name is G. G. Okay, my name is G. Thank you for your coming and join today at Green Valley Rafting Company. And welcome at Ayung River. This is river name, Ayung River. Ayung. Okay.
Finally here doing rafting guys. Water rafting. Pinaka-exciting activity here in Bali. Look at this pose! Sheesh! Sabi nila, have to be careful on this Action 5 Pro. Gotta or to do it. Let's go, let's do it. Woo! Let's go! Ah! Forward! Yes, sir! Life-threatening.
Ang saya na ito!
Life-threatening pero masaya. Sige.
Wala mang, may life vest ka. Napakan mo? Okay. Gusto ko?
Wanna go down?
Ihi ako. Ihi. 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 Kaso baka mahirapan ako umangat. Uy. Mga tropa namin.
Hello! Hello! Quick stop! Tapos! Woohoo!